Utility design hasn't changed much in many decades. At Anchorage Municipal Light and Power, we asked ourselves, could there be a better way than the standard two-dimensional drawings that we've always provided? By harnessing the power of Autodesk Memento, Autodesk Recap, and using AutoCAD Utility Design as the engine, we are able to take these three-dimensional models and incorporate them into our design process, providing a smooth, efficient way to create contextually stunning, rich images that are less ambiguous and more straightforward than has ever been provided before. Photogrammetry, ground-penetrating radar, handheld scanners, and aircraft-mounted LiDAR. These are just some of the reality capture tools we have at our disposal. Capturing this data is demanding, but when you consider the lifecycle management of these assets, being able to email a design engineer or GIS specialist a model and actually put them safely inside underground assets or inside electrical substations that are buried, energized, or hazardous, the return on investment is immeasurable. The design starts with a two-dimensional survey, but the survey is flat and lacks context. Traditional three-dimensional work has been labor-intensive, but the ease in which we're able to import these reality capture models into AutoCAD Utility Design greatly increases our efficiency in this process. What we're trying to do here is to provide the best tool for the design engineer by incorporating all of these reality capture elements into one intelligent design. We are giving them a digital sandbox, which provides real-time, dynamic feedback that they've never had before. BIM for infrastructure is how AutoCAD Utility Design allows us to automate three-dimensional design. By incorporating these models into the project, we're creating a game-changing environment for the design engineer to operate in. When we visualize the design process in this way, it allows us to sense out and see conflicts well before they happen. Whether you're planning test holes for soil samples, adjusting a directional bore profile, or planning around existing overhead or underground infrastructure, three-dimensional design and visualization with Autodesk allow engineers to design and communicate their ideas more effectively, clearly, and efficiently. Three-dimensional design shouldn't disappear at the end of the design lifecycle. Traditional GIS suffers from the same two-dimensional handicaps as traditional design. With Autodesk InfraWorks, we can take all of our reality capture methods and aggregate them into a single place. These are now referenced into a three-dimensional view of our GIS data. We can then incorporate proposed projects imported from AutoCAD Utility Design, Civil 3D, Revit, or other Autodesk products. This gives us a long-term three-dimensional record of all of our data that can be used to facilitate future designs and planning. Data that used to be lost at the end of the design lifecycle is now maintained, and we have an ongoing permanent three-dimensional record of all of our infrastructure to be used however or whenever we need it.